After turning out the fabric, I added Amy gum to the 1 inch I left to close it, and then I started adding flock to the fabric to give the design. You can see me wearing one on my neck already. So I started adding them after printing. Added on both sides, and then I pressed them. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. In anything I was doing, I decided to have fun a bit. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy. And so that was it. I allowed it to cool down, and then check it out. Neat, beautiful, lush, and everything. So I said to peel this one off. It was already cold. So I said to peel this one off, and thank you for watching to this point. See you in my next one. Have a blessed new week.